Hi friends and new faces, Emily here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if this is your very first time here, then an especially warm welcome to you. I am so happy to have you today, although today's video is quite terrifying. As you are seeing in this clip here, this is a absolutely disgusting dishwasher clean out video. I have been wanting to clean out my dishwasher, meaning taking it apart, for about a month now. There's someone that I follow on Instagram, and she was talking about how your dishwasher is the perfect place to collect mold. We are moving in just about a week and a half, and I decided that I wanted to clean out our dishwasher for the next owners just to make sure it is completely clean, completely fresh for them. And boy, was I in for a special treat. There was no preparing me for how disgusting my dishwasher was. I am just about to reveal the disgustingness that is my dishwasher right here. The reason why I decided to film this video, it originally was not actually going to be uploaded to YouTube. I filmed this video because I wanted to make sure I had on camera how I took apart the dishwasher. So when I put it back together, I had video evidence, or a tutorial per se, on how to put it back together. But once I saw how disgusting my dishwasher was, I felt like I had to put this video on the internet as a PSA to the general population to please take apart your dishwasher. Who knows what is hiding? I mean, you saw what was hiding in mine. We've had this dishwasher as long as we've lived in our house, and we've lived in our current house almost 8 years. And I don't know how old the dishwasher was when we moved in. It seemed relatively new, but that is 8 years worth of gunk and mold just sitting. I mean, look at this. This is just one part of my dishwasher. There were several other parts of my dishwasher. I did not film those parts of my dishwasher, but it was just beyond disgusting. I feel like now, looking back, our dishes were probably never clean because that water, that moldy residue and moldy water, was constantly over our dishes every single time I would run a cycle. And I feel like in the past 6 months or so, our dishwasher had a smell to it, and I felt like our dishes were never really getting clean. So there definitely was some blockages in the drain that I fixed. There was a piece of glass in there. There was a big piece of plastic, a straw, some food. So now I feel like the dishwasher is totally cleaned out. Obviously not back to perfection or back to new, but I did as darned as I could. And as you can see here, I also cleaned the interior of the dishwasher as well. I started out by just vacuuming out as much of the old water from the standing water in the dishwasher as I possibly could, and then I did some vinegar and then baking soda as well. And then once I was done cleaning all of the parts of the dishwasher, the drain and the filter, etc., I cleaned the actual interior portion of the dishwasher with baking soda, and then rinsed all that down, and then sucked it up with the shop vac. And then, as you can see here, I am now finally reassembling my dishwasher. It was much more simple to take apart and put together than I thought it would be. I actually thought it was going to be pretty complicated, but it was not, thankfully. I'm not very good with this type of stuff, but it was definitely foolproof. Really easy. I'm so glad that I got this part done. And then, as you can see in the next couple clips, there were a couple more things that I had to clean on the door of the dishwasher as well. So as you can see here, I'm just cleaning the entire door of the dishwasher with baking soda, giving it a nice little polish. And then I found this extra part of the dishwasher. I'm not even sure what this part of the dishwasher does, but there was definitely some mold and some gunk caked in here. So I took it all apart, sucked up what I could with the shop vac, cleaned it with a rag, and then scrubbed that moldy part that I just showed on camera. And then finally here, I am just doing a vinegar cycle with my dishwasher. So I poured about a cup of vinegar, put in a mug, and then put it on my top rack of my dishwasher. And then I am going to do a heavy duty cycle on the sanitize option just to get it as hot as possible, get some fresh water in there, and hopefully kill more germs. And that is going to conclude this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please clean out your dishwasher. Please take it apart. As you can see, a normal person can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Please let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or if you decide to embark on the journey of cleaning out your dishwasher. Let me know if you decide to do it. Bye.